If you've been wanting to dive into real photography beyond your smartphone, this might be the perfect place to start. Today we are taking a look at the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera EFS 18 to 55mm f/3.5-5.6 is 2-lens kit, 24.1 megapixel CMOS, APS-C sensor, full HD videos, built-in Wi-Fi, beginner photographers, digital camera, black. Right out of the box, this camera feels like a serious tool for photography, yet it's designed with ease of use in mind. As a digital camera, its classic DSLR form factor offers a comfortable grip, making it a natural extension for anyone getting into the hobby. The included EFS 18 to 55mm f/3.5-5.6 IS2 lens means you're ready to shoot fantastic images straight away, covering a versatile range from wide landscapes to tighter portraits. Underneath, it boasts a powerful 24.1 megapixel CMOS, APS-C sensor, delivering crisp, detailed photos that truly stand out, easily surpassing what you can capture with a typical phone camera. And it's not just about stills, you can record beautiful full HD videos, perfect for capturing memories or starting your journey into videography. The built-in Wi-Fi is incredibly convenient, allowing you to quickly transfer your shots to your phone or tablet for sharing, which is a huge plus for beginners eager to show off their work. It's truly a sensible first camera, making the transition into dedicated photography smooth and enjoyable. This Canon model is consistently highlighted as one of the best beginner DSLR cameras on the market. For anyone looking for an entry-level option to kickstart their photography passion, the Rebel T7 is an outstanding choice. It offers a robust set of features, great image quality, and an accessible design that makes learning fun and rewarding without breaking the bank. This is a solid, affordable camera ideal for aspiring photographers. If you want to check the latest price or grab one for yourself, the link is in the description below. If you found this review helpful, check the link in the description below for the latest price and availability. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more reviews like this.